Hello, today I'm in Hyundai i20. In this video I'll show you how to use voice control. In the beginning you have to plug your smartphone into the car via USB cable. Because this car does not have its own voice control, so we are going to use the voice assistant from Google. Because my smartphone is with Android. So let's plug the smartphone. Now Android Auto will connect. And now you can simply press this button right here. What's the weather like tomorrow?
Jutro w Modlnica mamy duże zachmurzenie, najwyższa prognozowana temperatura to 21 stopni, najniższa 14 stopni.
Speak in English.
Decking.
Znaczy klejący w języku angielskim.
Speak in English.
Speak.
To w języku angielskim mówić.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.